In this video, we are given the following problem. So x plus 1 over y is equal to y plus 1 over z, which is equal to z plus 1 over x. So we're asked to find the value of x, y, z. Now, by looking at this problem, we can see that it is not too complicated. We could actually just go ahead and start breaking this apart. So the first approach, or the first step which I'll make, is to separate the equations. So I'm going to take two of these at a time. So what I mean by that is, let's take x plus 1 over y, which is equal to y plus 1 over z. And what I'm going to do is to actually combine these fractions, or these equations rather. So I'm going to take the y from both sides. So we would now have x minus y, and I'm going to take 1 over y from both sides as well. So this is equal to 1 over z minus 1 over y. And from here, we could actually combine these fractions. So x minus y is equal to y minus z over yz, or zy. So let's leave it as zy, but we're not through as yet. We could actually cross multiply to get zy by itself. So let's do just that. Let me actually do that below here. So zy is equal to y minus z over x minus y. And we're going to repeat the same process for all the other parts of this equation. So the next part, we're going to take y plus 1 over z and z plus 1 over x. So I'm going to actually just speed through this section. So y plus 1 over z is equal to z plus 1 over x, and this would follow the same procedure. We would take away z from both sides, so y minus z is equal to 1 over x minus 1 over z. Then we'll do the same, combine the fractions. Y minus z is equal to z minus x over xz, and let's get this on one side, is equal to z minus x over y minus z. Now let's do this for the last part of the fraction, which will use the first and the third. So now we have z plus 1 over x is equal to x plus 1 over y, and this would now be equal to z minus x is equal to 1 over y minus 1 over x, and let's combine these fractions. So z minus x is equal to x minus y over xy. Let's get xy on one side, x minus y over z minus x. And by now you should be able to see where we're going from here. So seeing that we have zy, we have xz, and we have xy, we could see that we can actually get an xyz from this. Well, actually we could get an xyz squared from this. So let's go down a bit more and let's actually multiply. So zy times xz times xy, and this would be equal to y minus z over x minus y, which is being multiplied by z minus x over y minus z being multiplied by x minus y over z minus x. Now let's take a closer look at this. Use red. Now if we take a closer look at this, we could see that we have an x minus y here in the numerator. We have an x minus y in the denominator. The same goes for y minus z, and the same goes for z minus x. So on the right hand side, this would all be equal to 1. So let's rewrite this as x, y, z all squared is equal to 1. And what we know is that whenever we have a variable being squared, it is equal to a perfect square number. We have two possible answers for our equation. So x, y, z can either be plus or minus 1. And this would be our final solution to the question. So if you enjoyed this video, please be sure to leave a like and a comment down below. Thank you for watching. Math Mastermind out.